Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज overall risk sentiment is looking quite positive. एक तरफ Asian equity markets are trading in the green, दूसरी तरफ dollar index is below 102. जिसके फलस्वरूप Asian currencies are trading strong and USDINR in the offshore market is trading around 81.18, 81.20 on the spot reference levels. अगर यहाँ पे open होता है 9 o'clock, then we could see the Jan futures closer to 81.23. That's going to be a 22 paisa kind of a gap down. We are holding short positions in the market because the bias is downward. But there is a very important support zone which lurks underneath. वो support zone है between 80.80 and 80.95, which houses both a major trend line as well as the December lows. Therefore, once the dollar rupee gets below 81, it is advisable to exercise caution and not enter fresh shorts. Existing shorts mean either you can start taking profits or you can tightening the stops. We will be short only if this support zone breaks. मतलब अगर 80 के नीचे ये trade करने लगता है with volume, then we would again start shorting क्योंकि then the next support level is going to be 80 and lower. As far as major RBI intervention goes on the buy side, we anticipate it may happen below 80 levels because RBI could get interested to recoup their lost reserves. But the pace of decline in USDINR is still shallow compared to other USD pairs because FPI flows are still negative. For the month of Jan, it is $2 billion negative. That's a big number. So because of which the downside is becoming still slower. And Indian rupee is still underperforming its peers in Asian EM. So that kind of a phenomena will not change as long as the FPI flows are not changing the direction. So how to trade Aj? Trade is simple. Any intraday rally can be used to sell fresh, but with adequate stops and of course proper position size. You can use either put options or short futures as well. As far as straddle strangle short or iron fly short, uske liye we need to see the market slip into a range, because when the market is trending and the realized volatility is expanding, then is not the time to go short the options like straddles or strangles. And at the same time, the implied volatility, jo hai, that's also quite low. So you don't have really much of a cushion if you are shorting straddle or strangles. Jab ye range pe chala jayega, then is the time to be short the strangles and straddles. But if at all you want to do such a trade, it is advisable you stick with hedged trades like iron flies and butterflies. In cross currencies, Euro INR, GBP INR may see a muted move क्योंकि आज US markets are closed. So we may not see very large moves over there. But ये हफ्ता there are a number of important economic data from UK, Germany and US as well. So उसका impact will be seen in all the international currencies. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.